Hello everyone, this is your friend Rahul from techblockcorner.com, and today in this video I'm going to help you how to set up your Google Ads account. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So you can see in front of your screen, I have already searched for Google Ads on Google. You just need to click on the first link, okay? And then you need to just click on top right corner, get started. Okay, I have few other accounts which are already set up with my email ID, but I want to set up a new ad account so that you can understand the whole process. Okay, so just need to click on new Google Ads account. Okay, you just need to read this whole information about business profile. Yes, use information from the business profile. I don't want to use that. Okay, what's your business name? So, for example, my business name is ABC Tech. Okay, now I need to click on next. Where should people go after clicking your website? Just enter the random name, but you need to enter your website name, domain name, abc.com. Okay. Now they are suggesting us people come here after clicking the ad. They are showing us mobile and desktop preview. Okay. You just need to click on next. What is your main advertising goal? For example, I want to have more leads or sales. So I will click on it and then click on next. Okay. So they haven't find any analytics score on the website because it's a random website. But if they are giving this warning, then you need to make sure your analytics code is present on the website. Okay. But I can skip for now. Skip. Now they have given me default ad headline. Okay. You can change the headline according to your requirement and the way you want to show your ads. They are giving us some suggestion based on the AI. Okay, you have the limit to only use this 30 characters in these fields, 3 headlines and 90 characters in the description headlines. Okay, show the call to action. For example, if you want to run the ad in the United States, then you need to enter the number here. If not, then it is fine. Move next. These are the keywords they are suggesting us to add based on the input we have given to them. Okay, if you want to add any other keyword theme, for example, English teachers, English language school, for it's a theme. I'm just telling you how to set up the account. Okay, then they are suggesting some keywords. You just need to click on any keyword that you like to add in your ad group, then click on plus, then it will be added here. Okay, which language you want to advertise in, you can change the language in German, Francis, Spanish, Italiano, anything that you want to run your ads in. Then click on next. And if you are looking to target a specific zip code or city or region, then you can target those zip code here. For example, if I'm from Delhi, right? So I want to target a particular region in Delhi based on the zip code. So I will enter. Okay, so they are showing me in Google Maps which location I have targeted. You can zoom in and see. Okay, and if you want to target near your address, then you need to enter your office address or the location you want to target, and then they will cover the radius of that particular location, and you can increase the diameter of your targeting location, right? Let's go next. And then you need to set the budget to get the result you want. I'm from India, that is why it is showing me Indian currency. You can change the currency from INR to, for example, USD, if you are running an account for your agency or your US client. Okay, and they are suggesting the budget based on the past historical data they have for other accounts, but you can enter your own budget. For example, you want to only spend $50 per day. Okay, so they are also giving us typical competitors budget in this range. So you can see, like, if you are giving us giving $26.7, then you will be estimating this many clicks, and your monthly cost will be around this 812 dollars. Okay, now you can review your campaigns to be sure that everything is right. Your business name, your website, everything you can review here. Okay, once you are satisfied, then click on next. Then enter your billing country, your time zone. They are offering us for the new account in India 20,000 rupees as a credit when you spend 20,000 rupees. For other countries, they are also offering some other offers as well. But for India, this is the exact amount you will get if you spend 20,000 as a new account on Google Ads. Okay, so you just need to set up your payment profile. My default payment profile is from my original name, Rahul Setia, and then you need to enter your card details here. Okay, so Google will accept Visa, JCB, Mastercard, and American Express cards, and you just need to enter the amount how much you want to pay and upload in Google to run the ads. Okay, once all the details are done, then you need to click on submit. So this is all about setting up a Google Ads account if you don't have any account in Google Ads to run the ads. So it is very easy. You just need to invest time thoroughly in the initial stage. Once it is done, then don't need to focus on again and again on these kind of exercises. I will show you exactly how to create a particular different kind of ad campaigns in my next videos. So stay tuned for the next videos. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.